Unleash your inner craftsman with beginner-friendly woodworking projects. Discover the joy of creation. Simple designs, satisfying results. Start building your skills and crafting beautiful items today. Transform raw wood into stunning creations. Easy projects to get you started on your woodworking journey. Build a birdhouse, a planter, or a simple table. Endless possibilities await your creative touch. Learn new skills and create personalized gifts. Woodworking is a rewarding and fulfilling hobby. Start your woodworking adventure today. Discover the satisfaction of building something with your own hands